What's up, YouTube? We got a box today. We're gonna open it and see what it is. Alright. It's a guess. Look what it's from. Yeah, buddy. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. That's a clue. That is legit. There it is, straight out of Yamaha. I should say from Yamaha. It says FZ10. Boy, this thing is soft. Nice. Well, let's go put it on the bike. Okay, so we're in the garage and here's the current seat on the bike. Now I'll show you how to put the new seat on. It's very complicated. First you gotta find the hole. That's what she said. Would you look at that? There you go. Here's the old seat off the bike. Pretty skinny. Uncomfortable. Now we're gonna put the new seat on. What the hell is this? Put the key. Actually, doesn't click all the way. It's on there though. And here's the new seat on the bike. Holy cow. It's a little bit higher in the back.